amazing what I'm doing, isn't it? I know. Actually, it's really probably, they don't like people doing this, but cops do this stuff all the time. They're running fucking computers while they're driving. And it's actually not that bad once you get the hang of it. It's why women put their mascara on when they're driving. Your mascara on your face. I don't know. All I'm doing is turning my hand, and my hand knows what it's doing. You know, like they say, if you learn how to shoot properly, all you have to do is point with the gun. Like you know where you're shooting almost. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Well, you know what I mean by that. So right now, like out of the corner of my eye, I can see the camera. I can see you, but I can see you out of the corner of my eye. Okay, it's Thompson, and I'm just kind of, scanning, and I go like, yeah, here.
There it is.
Play with the camera. Use the camera. You can shoot a picture towards me too. I'm just gonna go around in here. Possibly take a picture. You taking a picture. That's cool. Yeah, it is. Hey, we're gonna put more. No, this is gravel and stuff for winter, isn't it?
Yeah.
There, Thompson Park. Okay. Look it off from the Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hang on. Look, you got here. Yes, you did. We are here. Look. We didn't get out to see Eddie, but hey, we brought him here. No, it's...
With the salmon thingy?
Yeah. The salmon thingy.
The salmon thingy.
The salmon thingy.
I don't know. I don't get to go to the actual protest.
Well, they were supposed to be wrapping for 12. They may have been running late, but he's not that well, so I said, well, we'll get here. Find a chair. You want to try it right there?
Sit wherever you want.
Go for it. Right there. That's fine. Have you heard from anybody yet?
No.
Oh.
No, I just kind of got to work. They hung over.
Smells really clean in here. Wow.
Yeah. Well,
we've been wiping everything down.
We do wipe everything down.
I know.
Oh, there's another car.
They may be. I would prefer to be. Yeah, I guess bags. Lots of bags.
Rain out.
Why not? Yeah, I'm close. Okay. Bags, lots of bags.
Rain out, which is nice.
Oh, so good.